Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome back to our English class. My dear students, today we are going to recapitulate this lesson, Robbie's Railroad. Dear students, in this lesson we have learned that Robbie was a small boy and he lived near the train station. He loved watching trains coming and going every day. He was fond of watching the trains, and during summers he went to visit his grandpa and grandma at their farm. His mother also accompanied him, and when he went to see his grandmother and grandfather, for the first few days he was very happy. But later on, he started missing the trains because he was very fond of watching the trains coming and going. His grandfather noticed that Robbie was very upset, so he thought of a plan. He thought of making him feel happy there. So, what he did, he built this railway track all around his orchard, and he built a small railway carriage where three persons could sit. And this railway carriage, it had a brake. It had a brake also, and Robbie's mother, she gave them a bell. Okay, and finally, when this railway track was all ready, Robbie felt very happy, and he sat with his grandfather and enjoyed the ride on this railway carriage. Finally, other children of the neighborhood, they came to see the railway carriage and the railway track, and all enjoyed ride on this railway carriage one by one. Later on, Robbie told his grandfather that he would be very eager or very impatiently waiting for the next summer to come, so that he would come to visit his grandfather and grandmother Ray. Okay, dear kids. So, in order to make feel Robbie comfortable, his grandfather had the plan of building this railway carriage and railway track as well. So, dear students, this was a quick recapitulation of this lesson, but the main purpose of this recapitulation was, I just want to let you know that we are going to give you class tests in which there will be questions, not these textual questions. Rather, there will be like true or not true type questions. Not only these true or not true, we will be giving you some sentences from the lesson, and you have to identify whether the statements are true or false, or we can give you multiple choice type questions. Okay, so you have to go through this lesson very keenly. You have to do the thorough reading of this lesson, and in order to check the knowledge of this lesson, we are going to give you that test. So dear kids, go through this lesson again and again, prepare well for the class test. Okay, and best of luck for the exam. Okay, dear kids, assalamu alaikum.